Hello viewers, greetings from our channel. Today we'll be cooking delicious chicken popcorn or popcorn chicken. So popcorn chicken is a small bite-sized pieces of chicken and it was invented by food technologist Chin Gagliardi. For cooking it, we need a medium-sized chicken breast. We cut it into small pieces like cubes and we'll marinate it. We also need an egg. Here you can see from anti-clockwise some salt, special chicken masala powder, then spice powder, onion paste, garlic paste, turmeric powder, and in the middle red chilli powder. And flour 1 cup. Firstly, we add the egg and a few portion of spices to the chicken and a bit of flour too. Then we mix it very well in a bowl. Now we add the rest of the ingredients to the flour and mix them. Afterwards, we put the chicken to the flour to coat and put it there for few minutes so that it will coat very well. Now we add oil in a frying pan and heat it in medium-high heat. To check the expected hot oil, we take a tiny coated flour and put it, and if the bubbles come up, that means we are good to go. Now we'll be frying the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes and let's see what happens. So here you go, the easy way of making popcorn chicken. It smells so delicious and yummy. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe, and please press the bell button so that you can see the upcoming videos. Goodbye.